What was your experience of the event?
I think Bangalore has a lot of vibe coders. That's what I learned for the day. Like pretty much amazing.
We wanted to actually make this very much special.
We learned with a couple of amazing coders that I have met in my journey of algo trading.
Discretionary or automated?
It's a semi-automated.
Biggest drawdown you have ever survived?
Like 10 lakhs.
One indicator you can't live without?
I cannot live without market profile and order flow.
Biggest drawdown you have ever survived?
Lakhs.
This is where we are introducing Dhan MCPs and Dhan skills. Let's say you are using Claude, Cursor, ChatGPT, anything. You connect the Dhan MCP.
This is Dhan Club. What we are trying to solve is to reduce developer friction to use. We'll keep making awesome products for you.
And now I'll come to skills.
Skills does a lot more things. You can be backtesting your strategies. You don't need to be an expert in backtesting the strategy. Just load the backtesting skill and you do that.
We love transparency as much as you do.
We are
Thank you.